Today I'm making pork caldereta using the McCormick Caldereta recipe mix.
So put some water in the pot, then boil it.
Nor pork broth cubes.
For this recipe I'll be using pork steak. Cut it up into manageable pieces. This is about quarter kilo of meat. Put it in the boiling water. Now for the rest of the ingredients. Of course, this tea is for me. And presto, here it is, all diced up and ready for cooking. In a separate pot, put oil in it. And add the onions, then the garlic. I like putting the potatoes in first to have a little flavor in the potatoes. Now add the pork in from the first pot. Now place the pork stock. Put in the caldereta recipe mix from McCormick. Now once boiling, you can add in the rest of the vegetables. Now I still have mixed vegetables leftovers, so yeah, you can add them if you want to. Now you can simmer, lower the heat down and let it simmer, boil it. Now after a few minutes, when the sauce thickens, that should be just about right.
And that's it for today. That's how I cook my pork caldereta. I know that it's a little bit off from the usual easy to cook caldereta, but I'm after the flavor and also after more of the vegetables, aside from the protein that it can give me through the pork steak. So here's the finished product. I usually serve it with the inside the pot. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. See you soon.